Asuntoska yhtiö säästö Martti.
Today is the 27th of October 2022 and we have Iivisniemenkatu 2 staircase.
Katu.
Oh, Iivisniemenkatu. Iivisniemenkatu. And 2 staircase was at F, yeah, the next to last one, but we're filming them from the last one to the first one now. And this is in Iivisniemenkatu, Espoo in the Helsinki-Helsingfors region, Uusimaa and Finland. And the last stretch of the metro line is going to be opened on the 3rd of December. Should have been named Iivisniemenkatu as well. Interestingly, the bunker says even 1966 there, but this was built in late 1969. It's 50 years old in 2009, so apparently that was a spare part board.
Yeah.
The Sunburst is 17239 with 8 bars. And here there is AK.
Yeah.
This was finished in late 1969 because next to this one we have the building 4, everything filmed there. It's from 1970.
Yeah.
Also with MP6 pictures, it will be expected in 2024. On the door for the upper basement floor it says K instead.
Yeah.
Here it says nothing at all.
Missä piti vaikka vaikuttaa, että meidän teet pashinilla.
The stop button is pretty torn, you can see.
Yeah.
How can it be so torn? I don't know. Maybe the material for that button just happened to not be so durable.
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Let's go to the rest of the staircases here.
That's